We are proud to be associated with NASSCOM on the launch of the KPMG NASSCOM Fintech report. This report basically covers 7 themes which the fintech industry, covering different aspects of the fintech industry. As we can see, banking has always, technology is not new to banking. However, the pace of change which is currently taking place is at such a different pace, and fintech, which has now come into the mainstream activities of the financial services, it is important that the banks, the traditional banks, now collaborate with these startups and be able to take their business to the next level. But it cannot be unforeseen that where you have a large bank and a large IT company coming together to form something which is very different, to form a very differentiated bank. But today, as we see it, the startups which are there, fintech startups, which are about 250 in India today, with 1.2 billion investments gone into them. Next 4 years, we're expecting that to double. And with the government being focused on financial inclusion, and the payment being a big area of growth for fintech, and of course peer-to-peer lending. When we look at countries like China, where fintech has really been adopted in a big way, and the kind of peer-to-peer lending that is taking place there by some of the companies and the levels to which they have gone, we see a great opportunity for India. The other one where we see a big opportunity is into the MSME and SME sector, which is always starved for funds. And we can see fintech actually playing a big role. Because what is the role of fintech? Fintech is to provide services at a much lower cost and at the same time improve the customer experience, what the customer gets. And I think this is somewhere where our report is concentrating on these 7 themes, how robotics is going to come and play. Of course, these are move into the second and third wave as India gets into it. Regulations is a big challenge. Hardware is an obstacle, and one will have to see how one deals with these situations to be able to get India fintech industry right up. As we all know, Bangalore is now the startup hub for India. Bangalore is ranked 15th in the world, and it's important to know that India is also building a great innovative spirit and also a startup wave that is there in India today, which is going to help in employment generation. It's going to help in coming up with new ideas and help in the entrepreneur spirit that is what defines India.